Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kim Learn English. Yeah, today I have the exercise for you to practice more about competition of adjective. Yes, about a competition exercise in here, right? Okay, so sorry បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel Kim Learn English សាជាថ្មីបាទថ្ងៃនេះគឺខ្ញុំមានតម្រងវេយ្យាករណ៍បាទវាគឺជាលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តបន្ថែមកាលពីសប្តាហ៍មុនឬក៏ពីវីដេអូមុនមកគឺបងប្អូនបានសិក្សារួចមកហើយអំពីការប្រៀបធៀបគុណនាមអញ្ចឹងមានការអនុវត្តលំហាត់ហ្នឹងគឺវានៅខាងក្រោមបាទមានថានៅខាងក្រោមមេរៀនបាទមួយចំនួនហើយប៉ុន្តែថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងមានលំហាត់មួយចំនួនទៀតដើម្បីអនុវត្តបន្ថែមណាដើម្បីឲ្យបងប្អូនកាន់តែច្បាស់តើបងប្អូនយល់អំពីការប្រៀបធៀបគុណនាមនោះដល់កម្រិតណាតើអ្វីជាគុណនាមវែងអ្វីគឺជាគុណនាមខ្លីហើយការប្រើប្រាស់របស់វាស្ថិតនៅក្នុងកម្រិតស្របកម្រិតជាងឬក៏កម្រិតដាច់គេដោយរបៀបណាតើបងប្អូនច្បាស់ឬក៏អត់ទេអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងតាមដានទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយយើងធ្វើទាំងអស់គ្នាតែម្ដងណា Okay, now let's go to exercise 1. Yeah, complete with the comparative or the superlative. Yeah. ជាការយើងបំពេញស្ថិតនៅក្នុងកម្រិតជាងឬក៏កម្រិតដាច់គេបាទអញ្ចឹងអត់មានកម្រិតស្របទេណាក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺមានតែជាងហើយនឹងដាច់គេហើយបងប្អូនត្រូវយល់ថាគុណនាមខ្លីដាក់អីគេគុណនាមវែងយើងដាក់អីគេមិនថាយើងបន្ថែម more បន្ថែម most ឬក៏បន្ថែមអីអញ្ចឹងណា Okay, now let's go. Yeah, A. Jeans are then trousers. Yeah, check out more casual. Yeah, ជា relative គុណនាមណា casual. ចឹង casual មាន2ម៉ាត់មែនទេបាទអញ្ចឹង2ម៉ាត់វាចាត់ចូលជាគុណនាមវែងចឹងយើងឃើញ then ចឹងយើងប្រើនៅក្នុង comparison មែនទេការប្រៀបធៀបគុណនាមបាទចឹងយើងអាចដាក់ថា more yeah more casual បាទ Okay, B. Dresses are the clothes for girls this season. Yeah, adjective fashionable. Yeah, fashionable វាជាគុណនាមបាទគុណនាមវែងបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទម្រង់របស់វា Dresses are the បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញ the មកអញ្ចឹងវាចាត់ចូលនៅក្នុងកម្រិតបំផុតណា superlative form. Okay, so you can use most, right? Okay, most fashionable. Okay, and let's see, trainers are sometimes then leisure boots. Yeah, adjective cheap. Yeah, cheap is only one syllable, right? So it's short adjective. បាទអញ្ចឹង cheap ហ្នឹងគឺជាគុណនាមខ្លីបាទទី1បងប្អូនត្រូវមើលថាវាជាគុណនាមវែងឬក៏គុណនាមខ្លីទី2វាមានទម្រង់ then ឬក៏អត់មានអញ្ចឹងវាចូលជាទម្រង់ superlative ឬក៏ comparative អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងនេះគឺមាន then ការប្រៀបធៀបអញ្ចឹងវាចាត់ចូលនៅក្នុងកម្រិតជាងមែនទេអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើង cheap ទៅជាគេទៅជា cheaper ថៃមីអដោយសារវាជាគុណនាមខ្លីណា Okay, the Peter's jacket is the bad and the old. Okay, so which one did you choose? Peter's jacket is the worst, right? Okay, is the worst and the old. Okay, old to oldest. Okay. Okay, E. This year colors are than last year. Okay, and bright. Okay, this year colors are you can see then, right? Then is a comparison. Yeah, so bright to what's it? To brighter, right? And F. Men suits are this winter. Okay, expensive. Long adjective, thus used with superlative adjective, right? Okay, so the most expensive. Okay. And G, my skirt is then crease, but crease skirt is the long. Okay. So you just long in here with comparative in here, right? My skirt is long to longer. Yeah, longer than Carrie's, but shoe skirt is the longest, right? Okay. And this year some design are than last year. Okay, you can see then you mean comparative. So go to better, right? Better than last year. Okay, so that's all everyone. Yeah, so let's go to exercise 2 in here. Okay, complete with comparative or superlative adjective. Yeah, the same everyone, the same as exercise 1. Bạn chắc đôi lưu mặt tìm mũi đá ở dùng một pính bài trong tay tam tầm rống compare có superlative. Và okay, number 1, Sarah is then Aiden. Yeah, short. Yeah, short to short, shorter, right? Shorter than Aiden. Number 2, Sin is the tall. Yeah, is the tallest, right? Superlative. And number 3, Aiden is blah blah then Sin. Yeah, so you can see in here, right? Yeah, by the pictures in here you can see. Okay, Aiden is then Sin. Arrogant. Yeah, so arrogant is long adjective, right? So you have to use more. Yeah, more arrogant. Number 4, Sarah's hair is then Sin's. Yeah, so everyone number 4. Yeah, fair is a short adjective, right? So fairer, right? Fairer than Sin's. Number 5, Sin's hair is the beautiful. You can see the main superlative, right? The most. Okay, beautiful. Okay. And number 6, Aiden is Sarah. Yeah, you can see old is short adjective, right? So old to older, but here then, right? Older than Sarah. And number 7, Sin is the old. What's it? Sin is the oldest, right? Number 8, Aiden's hair is then Sin. Aiden's hair is long to what's it? Longer, right? Longer than Sin's. Number 9, Sarah is student than Aiden. Yeah, good. Yeah, good to better, right? Comparative. Yeah, better student than Aiden. Number 10, Sin is the student. Yeah, the comparative, right? Bad, everyone to worst, right? Worst student. Okay. Okay, now that's all for exercise 2. And let's continue to exercise 3, everyone. Okay, complete with the correct comparative or superlative form of the adjectives. Yeah, the same. Yeah, exercise 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the same. Okay, cho mặtទី1 ទី2 ទី3គឺដូចគ្នាទាំងអស់ណាគឺយើងគ្រាន់តែដាក់ថាត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទម្រង់នៃកម្រិតជាងឬក៏កម្រិតដាច់គេ Okay, number 1, life in the country is densely life. Yeah, adjective slow. Yeah, so slow to slower. The series much than the country. So fast. Yeah, fast to what is it? To faster, right? Yeah, faster than the city. In fact, life in the city center is the adjective stressful. Yeah, is the most stressful. Okay. Number 2, London is one London is one the city in the world. Okay, expensive. One the most expensive, right? And number 3. Okay, New York is then London. Adjective safe. Yeah, safe to safer, right? Safer than London. B. No, it isn't. New York is much than London. Okay. No, it isn't. New York is much. What's it? Much more dangerous than London. Okay, number 4. The way to travel in Rome is on foot. Yeah. Good to best, right? The best way. And number 5. A. Paris is than Madrid. Yeah, big, everyone. Yeah, big to bigger, but in a CVC form, right? Paris is bigger than Madrid. And B. No, it isn't. It's much, small than Madrid. It's much smaller, right? Smaller than Madrid. And number 6. People in Africa are than people in Argentina. Yeah, they're poor, right? People in Africa are, what's it? Yeah, poorer, right? Poorer than people in Argentina. Number 7. Chat room and the way of meeting people. Yeah, they're good. Good to best, right? The best way. Number 8. Meeting people on the internet is the things to do. Yeah, adjective dangerous. What's it? The most dangerous thing to do. Number 9. Madrid is the then room. Madrid is more expensive, right? More expensive than Rome. B. No, it isn't. Madrid is much than Rome. The verb cheap, right? It's much cheaper. Yeah, cheaper than Rome. Number 10, the last one. The buildings in New York are than the ones in Rome. Modern, right? Are more modern than the ones in Rome. Okay, that's all for exercise from exercise 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's all. Yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. It's the newcomer. Yeah, please subscribe my channel to get the new videos. Yeah.